Jacob bowed down to the ground 7 times as he approached his brother. Genesis 33:3.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. It Takes Humility was written by Ann Cetus and read by Rochelle Traub.
Genesis chapter 33, verses 1 through 5 and 8 through 10. Jacob looked up, and there was Esau, coming with his 400 men. So he divided the children among Leah, Rachel, and the 2 female servants. He put the female servants and their children in front, Leah and her children next, and Rachel and Joseph in the rear. He himself went on ahead and bowed down to the ground 7 times as he approached his brother. But Esau ran to meet Jacob and embraced him. He threw his arms around his neck and kissed him, and they wept. Then Esau looked up and saw the women and children. "Who are these with you?" he asked. Jacob answered, "They are the children God has graciously given your servant." Now picking up at verse 8. Esau asked, "What's the meaning of all these flocks and herds I met?" "To find favor in your eyes, my lord," he said. But Esau said, "I already have plenty, my brother. Keep what you have for yourself." "No, please," said Jacob, "if I have found favor in your eyes, accept this gift from me. For to see your face is like seeing the face of God, now that you have received me favorably." It Takes Humility, written by Ann Cetus. My cousins, who lived only 2 miles away when we were growing up, weren't allowed to interact with my family. They never came to reunions or talked to us at the local grocery store. Their parents said it was because, back then, we didn't attend church and we'd be a bad influence on them. What a surprise when many years later, a cousin attended my eldest brother's funeral. He approached us one by one and humbly apologized for their attitude. Our relationship with him began to be restored. In the book of Genesis, Jacob needed a humble heart to seek restoration with his twin brother Esau. Jacob, the second-born, had connived against Esau. He stole his brother's birthright and deceived his elderly father into giving him the firstborn's blessing. Furious, Esau threatened to kill him, so Jacob had to run to another country. Years later, Jacob wanted to return home, but was afraid the deep division between him and his brother wouldn't be resolved without bloodshed. When he and Esau finally met, he humbly bowed down to the ground 7 times as he approached his brother. He feared Esau would kill him, but instead, Esau came running and embraced him. Whether we've harmed another or have been harmed, it takes humility, openness, and often much work to heal the brokenness. But God can and will help us. Let's pray. Lord, please give us humble hearts that seek reconciliation and healing in our relationships. Help us to trust your guidance as we approach others with openness and patience and a willingness to forgive, reflecting your grace in our lives. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What relationships in your life might need restoration? How can you start the process?
Aspoil kal omongang eng mula viakal mukar al se le korkau. Akal el di import en merbelau au ula batok e viakal mukal se erbelau elang. Poto karikik el beklar e dongui wa veit el val expara kal nilumer rau era domar. tamsulang.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Subdra godal. Kadire kal subdra osisiul godal makmaldil. Loltobdringa Hailey Ri, Francis Mayar, Delegate Ney sa Sualablay, Mauel Masubda Saga, Elkmo Atargidra Luis Iwao Salvador, Amlos Mera Thursday, January 22, 2026. Mabadingelang aramor, Emlamoturok Lakmaldilel, El Mornira Thursday, February 19, 2026. Abadingelamotubdra Santos Borja Mortuary, ra 7 a.m., El Moramisang Raklo Iglesia ra Catholic, Sacred Heart Church, Yauriw Ramisang, Eng Tuab del Mora Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, El Ngarayray, El Mga Maldil Mauriw Rasuel, Etobdung El Mora Fiseris, El Mora Balilyo, El Motuabra Blirir El Talsigang, Emo Umadakla, Yauriw Ra Omalakla, Ya Omrael Al Mutal Mera Orior. Makyolngit Rarvek Al Adma, Mal Ngaraygal Balul Baldukuryo, Maloitita Al Senrir, Elamay Madaalim, Edgay Ngasewer Tialulbong Al Sils, Rangal Ngalgedra Luis Iwao Salvador. Mangrard, Uelbil Ilek Iskawa Marangalgem, Laura Hidewo sa Marangalgem. Ngartmau, Arbadul Ratablak, Willard Kumangay, Marangal Garablay Ratablak. Arangalgela Ngirngamius at Tangadik, Mosubdar Bebi Rangmiu, Emay Madgay Ngasew. Orior, Uel Masubda Saka, Mauelbil Ilek Iskawa, Mamosubdar Rangalgra, Tawar, Emay Madgay Ngasew. Rangalgela asako nakata, wadal adro salin the mresabang marangalgem, kyomi isida, marangalgela isida tamakong. Rangalgela mleri ba, agemi agiwo, ra Hubert agiwo, mat Jennifer agiwo, mosubdar bebi ramiw, emay madagay ngasew. Dirat matpab Sadaria W. Fritz, marangalgela Diminrang Williams. Akyel tur ngarang irasibong Lakyus Malsol, Elme arangalgem rasindia Malsol, marbebi ringi, megimgay ngasew. Akyel tur Margaret Grete Williams, Elme arangalgem ra Wilfred Ipi, Maras, megimgay ngasew. Wilbur Williams, Obaad Tres Olgari, lamosubdar bebi rakaw. Isabella Rideb, Mahektor Tatingal, Marangalgela Tatingal Regisiwang. Gloria Idasyar, marbebi rakaw. Mihayna ako siba, marangalgel. Marangalgel ay magdong regasiwang mav, Diratublay debi ramangsaw, Ekaldil guye belelay, Marangalgela usang alel belelay, Dilbuy Karen Gatosang, Marangalgelaw Elbil Mobel, Roxanne Siwal Sangbaw, Katsumi Taima, Madira Matugur Tilde Ari Isak, Mamosubdar bebi ramiw, Emay madagay ngasew. Rudy Aitaro, Rangalgelam Lay Dere, Alted Aitaro, Ratedi Aitaro, Minister Gustav Aitaro, Macho Aitaro, May madagay ngasew. Raynar the Ray Isawo, Malori Isawo, Marangalgela Isawo, Tamakong. Oboo Linda Adachi, Marangalgela Kameko Mayar, Marangalgela Uregdang Hotel. Iadribuglo Kioni Saal, Marbebi Rakaw, Tewong the Maru Alem. Oligong Pablo Haruwo, Marangalgela Haruwo Ngir Omtilo. Delegate Ney sa Sualablay, Marangalgela Sualablay Umadib. rangalgela meltel nirom tilaw, Jani gabo Regina masubda, marangalgela gabo awar. Margaret Quintol, marangalgela tagesi Quintol. Edwin ngirakasaw, marbebi rakaw. Balilyo, ngas kasuk Abraham ngiruyos, marahel ngiruyos u erbalaw, mosubdar bebi rakmiw may madakay ngasew. Ngirablay Isaac Sakura, mangirasakos Jerome Sakuray, mamosubdar bebi rakmiw. Miugi tulob marangalgem. Akyol turgram dirangkabang sadakos mau, elme ang algem rasan forda, marbebi ringi magim kay ngasew. Akyol turgra kalistas mau, elme ang algem rasyan, marbebi ringi magim kay ngasew. Diraswe Regina Riz Junewo, marbebi rakaw. Maura Mobel, marangalgem. Ngarablun taarurang, marbebi rakaw. Kenneth Jesus, marbebi rakaw. Valerie Robat, marangalgela Robat Oligong. Poseba ilab am to'da, marangalgela ilab tamakong. Akyol turga, raw el magdiw susumu mori, el mearangalgem ra yokichi, marudal megimgay ngasew. Kang its uaw marangalgel. Bultabay James Baluong, may Blay Simpson, marbebi rakmiw. Rangalgela Hasida kabukol, rangalgela Humiwo kabukol, rangalgela Evans kabukol, tugubet sulsub, damura tulungal gara kabang, tulungal gara omisaw, tulungal gara imangli, matulungal gara ngaskaraw, mgaspasub, de may madakay ngasew, at yalulbong, al-sungulang galing alagid. Ngayawra, Benito Thomas, marbebi ringi. Ar adamamal mlodekal madungang clear tial subda, agik malol ngitartir, malakalbol makitaran rir, lengklam nga tela subda uul. Ebay may madaalim, edakay nga sewer tialulbong alsil, sarang galing alagid. Etirgel modekal sa bariral may, maldiwngil basul, edidakalat karang lungu. Kompmal masulang, yadios lolmol, malamakngal tangat tergida rokwi. Kompmal masaula. Signed, Francis Mayar, Sinton Sualablay. Tiasub drakamaldile la iwawo Luis Salvador. Ngakalblitang yoit singewo, maobaadar nga siyas tres olgeril, am subdrar adamamalk mo. At targidra iwawo Luis Salvador, am losmera January 23, 2026. Akamaldile la mo February 19, al-ongewa lurior. Ngomu la misang rakamaldil, ra iglesia ra edaw ay dirung la Jesus ra orior, ra ewidal clock. Emo mga maldi ra Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, ra etil clock matedoba. Ya 12:30, ya baldo la 12 ra Funeral Home, el mora fiseris dak, en 12 da omrael el mora balilyo. Molta bra bliri ra dorma, emo uraklol olgul. Mga kalblitang yoit singewo, maobaadar nga siyas tres olgril, am subde olingitrar adamam raigal balu, mamgaspasub de may madaalim. Ang ayangala, aobagrusong teruotsyokay, maodal ad harumi inawo. Ngararda, erdang rabang Church Singewo, maebil rabang Teodora Miguel, rangalgela da rong margub, rangalgela remaldil rangula, marangalgela tuolyaura, klolubak. Malgayok, agim subda rangalgela mle, Ebil Rabong sa Aduy Asanuma, Ra Adalbay St. Andres, Ebil Adalbay Valeria Toribiyong, Masalome Kirk. Iray, agim subdra ngiraged Robert Ngirablagu, subdra Ebil Rasmasong Marta Yaab, Madil Ra Asel Emiliana Ngiriklang, Momosubdra Rangalga. Subdra Rangalgela Daldala Mur, Rangalgela Motol Tuur, Marangalgela Yaab Yao. Subdra Madra Iwangail Paulus Tesey, Marbebi Rakaw, Mamesengay Diaz. Subdra Ngira Ite Dr. Victoriano, Madirawrak Maalin sa Sato, Mamosubdra Ngalgela Bayo Atuti. Ngaramlunguy agim subdra Ngirturong Chan Sugiyama, Orior Arangalgela Diraywase Rul, Mahelga, Seba, Maerik Klolubak. Agi direktel mesubdra dirakargur no nalawi, ma brotkil Hermana Kyota, Rangula Donald Harugo, Marangalgela Ngilas Taway, Ramlee Paulina Taway, ma Chris Joseph. Talat ka madrang ar, Matiani Yao, Matosko Gloriano. Valilyo, agim subdra Elsia Shalom et Pisong, subdra ngir ongor Doroteo Nakata, mamosubdra ngalgelamle obakal dololga obakrusong. Olngitra obakalol Peter Napoleon, ngilngatpak Numbert Napoleon, madilpak Kego Bedor, mamosubdra ngalgelabatok. Agidirek kalmasubdra balang Hulang Wong, klamatulig la tiyak ngirngasang, dirangarbu hilaria amalay, anit u ergamur, ob adra telbudla mayumi shinosuga, dabdeb France maltalat ka balwong, mardis modela marangalgela kalalbay lui. Agi direk kalmasubadra agi Migo Cruz, rangalgela malom sa smul, nobugob lalu marbebi rakaw, marangalgela itate kel. Ngayawra agim subadra bibuel Julio Kasuwo, maedita Kasuwo, olingita mo subadra wilawong, otor oitrong, ete Kasuwo, Berta oitrong, maolgeril Kasuwo. Agi olturgawal Dilgamur Clara Michael, malmear ngalgemra Traol Casiano, Sairong Nabeyama, mau ergamur Noro Naruwo, magimgay ngasew. Kompmal masaula, marmo sabarir May, madaalim, yarmodial sabarir, adidaglat kerang lungu. Signed, Blitang, Yoit Singewo, of other ngasyas, Tres Olgeril. Subdrak maldil, ay leakal spedela of other ngasyas, Tres Salvador Olgeril, marbebi retir, amortirgal adrir raigal belu, elgirela sarela, tartir ra iwawo Luis Salvador. Ngarar dagim subdra ngirarois Francis Kib, maebil rarois Mihaina Kodeb, mamo subdra ngalgela Blaluk ngiratyo, rangalgela Idib ngiratyo, rangalgela Saigamal ngiratyo, rangalgela Rigel Tamarcel, rangalgela Malin Sing Ed, rangalgela Idoong Hilbert, rangalgela Sinsak Kib, rangalgela Meli Temael. May madaalim edgay nga sir tialgamal dile la targamam ra iwawo Luis Salvador el moringira February 19, 2026. Malgayok agim subdra Rulug de Ignacio Rungulbay, Juana Rungulbay, sa arulwong Teodoro Rungulbay, mo subdra ngal may madagay nga sew. Iray agim subdra obaad Kalaulbay the May, rangalgela giwar blayok, rakaw taang, omkatala, mga mes blayok. Oryo ragim subdra rangalgela ko siba basyo ra Yosua maester ko siba mamosubdra bebi ragmiw may madaalim edgay ngasew rangalgela Veronica Kasuma ra Inocencio ma Feliciano Kasuma mamgas pasubdload may madagay ngasew rangalgela Santos Ngodri ra Ines Santos ma Marcela Santos rangalgela Ingrakli ra Judge Salvador Ingrakli mosubdra bebi rakaw rangalgela Isaac Merur, Antoinette Jr. Matjovan Merur, Lawrence Ngirarorwa, Malisa King It, mosubdra bebi ramiw may madagay ngasew. Balilyo, agim subdra obakalol Batros Basilio, Viltab Carmin Gib, Mabultabay James Balwong Alkmo, mosubdra ngalgra ngataab, may madaalim edagay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgra Bosal Rabalilyo, magim subdra dirngarbu Hilaria Amalay, Lawrence Katabangang, Kensi Kenti, Mamri Ray Blunt, Alphonse Maelway sa Samil, Moses Mavayan Delutao, Rangalgela Wenti, Ra Diragabang Savako Smaw, Dirawray Mary Avalbay, Ma Emery Wenti, Mamgaspasubde may madagay ngasew, Atokubet Selspadam Amora Nora, Masus Sisyor, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ko seba yama marangalagel, may madaalim madakay nga sew. Ngayaw ragidirek kalmasubdra admaseb Jesus Setsuwo, maobaad Silvia Antonio Castol, mosubdra arangalgra bosal rangayaw re may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra arangalgel aragisiwang Rafael, Rarechina Rafael Subris, mamosubdra ngalgilar bebi rakaw may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela kasil, rarangula Stacy Augustin, mosubdra bebi rakaw. Rangalgela Ongino, Ratasya Marina Ongino. Rangalgela Mistru Moses, Rachimi Moses, Madomin Moses Tomei, mosubdra bebi rakamiw may madakay nga sew. Kumpmal masulang, signed, obaadra nga siyas, Tres Salvador Olgeril. Subdra kamaldil. Tia subdra kamaldil la iwawo Luis Salvador, el ngalgela abibe madrang Salvador, loltob dringia obakara mangalang Lerins Ramaliga, obakara miuns teruwo rungulbay, uerbalaw Lorenzo Eduarda, runguruel Hensley Smaw, ngaskasuk Abraham Ngiruyos, maadargoroy Postol Ramaligal mo, at targidra iwawo Luis Salvador, am los meter será luyam ede el gapsingila kotelbuila. January 23, 2026, mabadingila nga ramor, gem la motrokol mga maldira, truyam eti wel gapsingil ongerul buila, elonge walurior. February 19, 2026, Thursday. Santos Borja Funeral Home, Momadak Rabalilio. Malwaise agi olngitem subdara adama malngaray galbalu. Ang ayangala agim subdara ngiroy lang inawo sa baklim, deliget Noah Kamsong, mo subdara adad marangal may madakay nga sew. Ngar along agim subdara tet sing it sato, oragidil Margar Moses, Truy Harper Skang, ngira Asabres Brownie Salvador, Lydia Hubert, Malinda Orengs, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaali Mertial Albul. Ngarar dagim subdara adalbay rayati Dwight Alexander, madil adalbay Veronica Arbadul, mamosubdara Baby Ramiu may madakay nga sew. Benjamin Iskawa, Mageki Iskawa, mosubdara Baby Ramiu. Mrereong ngiray galaw, Maninya Basebas. Kararamyo Columbus Sakuma, mosubdar Baby Rakaw, marangalge labares, may madakay nga sew. At tukubet sa spadam, amura mother nga bu, tami esang Ramang South Junior, mosubdar Baby Rakaw, may madaalim. Ngiwal, agim subde olngitra, ngirat ngir hiob masubda, titay Peggy Hanser, Christiana Bien, mamosubdar adada marangalga. Malgayok, agim subdara, midul sa Moses Ludong, isabong Murako Osyar, Osrasi Alfonso Bintorio, mamosubdar adad marangalga. Agidire kalmasubdra, ngirabalbe Teo Joshua, madirariu akalista Yamanguchi, mamosubdar adad marangalga may madakay nga sew. Ng esar agim subdra wadalad akata Ilong Marsil, marangalga rakabaw, mamkaspasubde may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra Rosie Saburo o Rum, mamosubdra bebi rakaw. Iray agim subdargawal Ridialul Alons Kyota, marangalgara esuroy. Yaw ar the ort koel, rabaal tagewo ngirmukur, madir mul simako taryong, mal myotl klolad, mamgaspasubde may madakay nga sew. At tukubet sa spadam amorangira ite Dr. Victoriano, mamosubdarangal grabyo may madakay nga sew. Imili agim subdarangal gela ebil rungulbay, mamgaspasubde may madakay nga sew. Agidirekal masubdra Remar Tamir Mang South Junior, marangal gara toluk, mamay madaalim edakay nga sew. Ngaramlanguy agim subdra kawal, ngiraklang Chance Kabong, Sadami Subadyang, Marciana Maydasil, marangalgela gimiko Maydasil. Rangalgela adalngod tabalak, mamgaspasubde may madaalim edakay nga sew. Ngartmaw agim subdra kawal, ngirgabay Joshua Gumangay, Masaya Gumangay, daw dalil yakuil rangula, mamgaspasubde may madakay nga sew. Orior, agim subde olngit tray badul mabilung, mo subdra rangal may madakay nga sew. Agidirekal masubdra tulungal gramilong, rangir etet Norbert Yano, Senate President Hocons Baules, Roman Yano, Mario Katosang, mamosubdra adad marangal may madakay nga sew. Agidirekal masubdra raadrat amding, rakalt ngurat amding, rabay uduy, matngasik risong saito, mamosubdar adad marangal nga may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela tabalong tomei, lalo at tomei, bakyar kmadarang, ebil rungulbay, ngiram albang matsutaro, marbo u erbalaw, esang u erbalaw, marangalgela kabo u awar, ratsyani kabo, marichi na masablu, may madaalim edakay nga sew. At tukubet sa spadek nga kalobak ramyun steruorong ulbay, amuran ngalgelamle obak erung smaw, mamosubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sew edaalim mertial albul. Balilyo agim subdar kal obak kalol Peter Napoleon, dilpak kego bedor, ngingat pak numbert Napoleon, ob adrat talbudel Mayumi Shinosuga, Dilikleb and Mary S. Francisco, Talobad, Liz Roberts, Albina the Albay, marangalgela adangal ramalig, mamosubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdar kawal blitang yoy sa singewo, mabalang hulang wong, mamosubdara adadamarngal nga may madagay nga sew. Ato kubetels padam, amorangal gra Royce Balu, may madaalim edagay nga sew. Ngayawra, agim subdara ueramas Carlos Ramon, diramas Selena Ramon, rangalgela di Lores, ma Aliang, mamgaspasubde may madagay nga sew. Ato kubetels subda mortirgel gimgaw adra kablil, matulungal gel mlode alobas ang clear, leng mlode agim mdabdebra. Lengklam nga tela subda uul, agik malol ngitar gamiw, mamay madagay nga sew, eda alimertial albula. Kompmal masulang, yarubak kal Dios, dil bloy lobanggev, elo makngal tanga tergida rokui. Signed, obakara mangalang, Larins Ramaliga, obakara Munes teruorong ulbay.
Tial subdal mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi, kohmal mesulang.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of the Republic of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from qualified Palau licensed attorneys or legal organizations to assist the Ministry of Health and Human Services with mental health and telehealth legislative and policy update. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by Health Resources and Services Administration's federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on February 27, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-18, public notice February 12, 2026 through February 26, 2026. Bidding period will be February 27th, 2026 through March 30th, 2026. Proposals opening will be on March 31st, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Notice regarding land located in Taliu Hamlet, Palilu State, Cadastral Lot Number 154R21. Notice is hereby given that Ngurulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, and Ngurulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang Eswong, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngurulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, and Ngurulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang Eswong, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the lineage who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subada el-gida la utoman nga nataliw rablilyo, ang kadastral lat number nga 154R21. Subada murabway el-mangrulgong linyet, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, mangrulgong linyet, represented by Balang Ulang Eswong, amnaruli on trir meltob the certificate of title, el-gida el-tiyam la masadar babal utoma el-Murapalaw National Government. Ababier el-gida el-tiloy de la utoma, len conveyance agreement, ang aringir obisra len gort, el-sabel hangi dil adan mo meserngi, al-sukum ang aringir adar tial tulungan al sualom to kortialoy de la utoma ikmal gil file or tangil more of Israel court el diabol miudra March 5, 2026 lebol miudra tial time ang sabel celul tangil el modelo rior. Sign, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
Mabuhay Palau! Your next adventure awaits as Philippine Airlines now flies direct from Palau to Manila. Experience the hustle and bustle of the Philippine city life right in the heart of Manila. Your next getaway now awaits. Flights take off this March 29, 2026. Enjoy heartfelt service with our signature care that comes from the heart. Book your flights now at philippineairlines.com.
Notice regarding land located in Taliw Hamlet, Peleliu State with cadastral lot number 154R19. Notice is hereby given that Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdal Girela Utumal Ngarablurablilio, Rataliu. Asubda Murabuail Maluil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, Maluil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, Amnaruli on Tril Meltop the certificate of title, El Girel Telm na Masadra Bablutum, El Murapalaw National Government, Ababiel Girel Teloy de la Utuma, Len Conveyance Agreement, Ang Aringir Obisra Len Court, El Sabelangi dil Adel Maomes Ringi, Al Sukumang Aringia Other Tel Gabli, El Sawalom Tor Teloy de la Utuma, Mal Girel File or Tangel, El Mura Obisra Len Court, El Diamond Meodra March 5, 2026. Lebon Bioder Tial Time ang Sabel Selul Tangel Model Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Chats.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of the Republic of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from qualified Palau licensed attorneys or legal organizations to assist the Ministry of Health and Human Services in development and integration of a mental health curriculum for all public and private schools in Palau. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by Health Resources and Services Administration federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on February 24th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-17. Public notice is February 9th, 2026 through February 23rd, 2026. Bidding period is February 24th, 2026 through March 25th, 2026. Proposals opening will commence March 26th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Melageo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Subdrag Mildile. Tiasub the Loltob the Nia other Telwang Simeon Aberdong, Uelsia Shalom et Pisong, Runguram Uang William Niraigalau, the other Amai Eliayoba, Ringel Simon Derbay, Madrantu le se Ichirium the Marulibo Angelinorium the El Girelas Arela Targidra Wadalad Karingel Tesei, El Mlosmer January 27, 2026, Emotorgaklang al Motwabdra Thursday, February 19, 2026. Abeldo la Twabdra Morra El Clock, 8 a.m., El Morairai Get Center, mga Maldi Len Motalial Sils, Momdakra Oigul. Malwaise Agim Subdra Adamam Regal Bekal Beluel Mo, May Madalim Edraing Seura al Sungula Targid. Mangarar dagim subdar ngirayrung isak sa waladaw mo subdar adad marangal may madalim edgaing sew. Ang ramlanguya gim subdar runguram uang William Niraigalaw, madilnglod Rosania Abia, mo subdar adad marangal may madaing sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar skang moded, machesi moded, mamosubdar baby ragmiw may madaing sew. Yailakal spadek ngakal yaadar telwang Simeon Aberdong, am subdragaul eol ringil madalarak, madakter ngira isaw makol, mamosubdar bebiragaw may madaalim edakay ngasew. Angat pa nga gimsubdar ngalgela Victoria Uto ngiraramyang, Rasiles ngiraramyang, Marcela Olwal, mamosubdar bebiragamiw may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra sa uwas, ngirakasol may desil, mamosubdar bebirakaw may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela iterong ratino ngiraged, mamspadatirar ngalgela mlerenge ala tumarang, radorsia sablan, marngalgela tomoychi tumarang, raulay tomoychi, marbebiringi, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra Michael Blodak, marngalgela Martin Blodak, ra Lorna Martin, Mawain Martin, mamoltur radalmiw, may madakay ngasew. Ay mali ay leak letokubet sa spadam amorgawal dilrungulbay sariyang timul elkmomosubdar adad marngal may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar kawal renge el Simon Darbay, madil renge el Augustina Elwel, mamosubdar adad marngal raaluy may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela ngirturong radiraybu madangalyang raklay, Marigel Nakamura, elkmomosubdar adad marngal may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgel lamle dilrungulbay, aryong ngiratmap, mamgaspasubdaload may madakay ngasew. Makawal kaleb ngir nga badangala, matyosuan ngir nga badangala, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra uway higasakasa, mamay gaw marngalgem edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra kawal alid kasuyugi rangol, mangir ababrang ol, mamay madakay ngasew. Marangalge lasekang dolmers, ralaiter dolmers, maelenda rangolbay, mamosubdar bebiragamiw, may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalge lakaleb olgril adalbay, rasekang Jennifer olgril, kuyukl, Jay, ngiraygalaw olgril, matjeffrey malimarang olgril, mamgaspasubde may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalge ladira Royce olgril, Ratchoko Dugor, Serenia Mamis, Mamarsen Olgril, mamay madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela ari, Radhi Ramatugor Clotilde Isak, Maheli ari, mamgaspasubdaload may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalol ngitargal bereng sa adalbay, elkmomay gaw marbebirakaw, madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela kailang, Rasalong, elkmomay, marbebirakaw, edakay ngasew. Ayray, rabalurang esang, agim subdra rangal garaasel, magim subdra kawal space Valentino ngirgiklang, maodal at takako rulukod, mamosubdra ngalgela teruye Daniel, marngalgela bakyar, marngalgela lali, marngalgel oral, marngalgela singgo, marngalgela tamaye tulob, marngalgela eulelia mates, rakiku ngirngasang, maralul garingang mates, mamgaspasubdal av, marangal nga may madakay ngasew. Age dagim subdar ngalgela Bersig ra Steven Santos, mamay madakay ngasew. Agi direk kalmasubdar kaul Asli at Pisong, mamultur ra dalam ra Helena Arurang, may madakay ngasew. Ang rusar yay leakal spadek, ngakal yaadar talwang Simeon Aberdong, amor kaul rabaal at tagewo ngirmakur, oltur kaw malamayang ngalgem rakalin sa tagewo, maruudal magim aalim egim gay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela dilringe el Augustina Elwel, ra Jeanette Guniwo ngir eungel, Robinson Skiwo, Roseberry Ignacio, Mateko sang Osilek, mamgaspasubde may madakay ngasew. Ang rulwa balagim subdra rangal garakabli lara ngertelwang. Magim subdra ngalgela Genrav, Ramle Evilevil, Makasong, Rarami Joshua Aberdong, Obaad Rauld Aberdong, Madil Oligong Romana Aberdong, mamosubdar at marangal may madakay ngasew. Arangalgelat matpab, yagim subdra kawal, madrantul sa ichirium de, dilntul Veronica Niraybay, rulibok Angelinorium de, rangalgela Patrick Niraybatong Velmel, rangalgela Velmel Mobel, rangalgela Masayet Tanaka, marangalgela Aichi Mobel, mamgaspasubdaload marangalgiw may madakay ngasew. Arangalgela Cloldil, yagim subdra rangalgela Mleya Adar Talwang, Singewo Teong, magim subdar kawal Toyoko Singewo Larson, mamosubdar bebi rakaw, marangalgela hiroko ralisat matul mamay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub darangalgela mle ebiledil kegreldil raw elsias shalom et pisong odray rose ngiratregd manayami et pisong mamosub dara baby ragmiw marangalgela baes emay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub darangalgela asaw marangalgela mle other talwang adalbay radira kargur no nalwi mamosub dara adad marangal emay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub darangalgela ngatway ra rosalita ngaluk marangalgela mle ebiledil sibong arbadul radil rulib elsi tallay mamosub dara baby rakaw marangalgiw emay madgay ngasew angat kib eng spadala maasaw ngirakasaw master dil maasaw kerungil mis madil adalbay doran inabo mamosub dara admarangal emay madgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara kawal o bakaradapkar Clarence Kitalong alkmomay madaalim edgay ngasew ato kubetsel spadam amuran ngalgela urudel magimsub dara ngalgela kawd marangalgela idub marangalgela rosang mamosub dara ngalgela asbal emay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara ngalgela talmatangi lilaw ra iyong Benjamin Yob ra eriw ra egamuri lilaw mamosub dara ngalgela Yohana emay madgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara ngalgela Yob radil Abbas Marigold Yob madingalius Moses Yob mamgas pasub daload emay madgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara ngalgela ngira itay ra adalbay ra ngatibang Ephraim ngira itay madalala kulay giku mochimaru mamosub dara adam marangal emay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara ngalgelas masang ra tuwaw ra adalayan ringang masandra Henry mamgaspasub de may madaalim edgay ngasew a orior rabelurangar amay agimsub dara other amay Eliayob mau elbil rakum ra senna asuma mamosub dara ngalgra ekalbay rangar amay emay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara ngalgela humiye gibons rala dili kwartey maodal ramayar kwartey mamay madaalim edgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara dilmala ala rose masub da elkmomay madaalim edgay ngasew amyun sa gimsub dara ngalgela ngotop da brigul rataareng maenita mamgaspasub de may madgay ngasew abalilyaw agimsub dara kawal balang hulang huwong mablitang yoit singewo mamosub dara adad marangal emay madgay ngasew agidira kalmasub dara ngalgela oligong arbadul raris chunewo marangalgela robat oligong mamosub dara adad marangal emay madaalim edgay ngasew klamatela sub daw ul matirgel mlodekal madungang clear akmaldekal bol makitaran rir eutakang lalmay madaalim edgay ngasew artial alsangula targid etirgel guk modekal sab irir almay didagalat karang lungu ya Dios lolmol melobangged elomakngal tangat targid rokui signed the other talwang Simeon Aberdong osisil sub drakmaldile la odal ad karangel tesay osisil sub drakmaldi la loltob dringat tarbor Michael Mutok ongewid Leo Ada Taryong mamadray wangail Paulus tesay el morarokul adri Ramadal oigul alkmo adaladra odal ad karangel tesay amlosmer yakmaldile lamlamot rokol moringira Thursday February 19, 2026 el di moringira get center raged ray Kaya maldi lalobangela o mangadal blals mabadangelangal maas at wabdra morgra 8 a.m. el moraget center e mga maldi lalmo 12 p.m. et wabdal mamadakra oigul. Mayray agim subdra dingalius kammen chin mamosubdra adadra ngaraprak algirel tial albul. Dil ngarbesk hanate say marbebi ringi marangalgiu. Rangalgela Trolli Masters, Ngiralmau, Rameyut Chin, Mayri Sinji, Magaray Gamsek Chin, Rangalgela Naemi Taryong, Raelin Igeda, Maebilaksid Elmera Aulerio Marangalgir. Agimsub de Olngitra Rangalgela Mledingalius Harumi Taryong, Raselista, Ma Evelyn, Elkmo Molturgra Dalmiu, May Madray nga Sewertial Albula, Leo Ben Taryong, Rangabaw Chanson Taryong, Rangalgela Herman Taryong, Rakayong Matakaw, moltur dalmiu e may madakay nga sewer tial alabula. Rangalgela matiyaw masters, rakukumay masters, dil adalbay doran inabo, maadalbay ben masters, marbebi rakamiu. Rangalgela mlew el o siro masters, ragerak santos masters, marangalgel. Agimsub de olingitanges, rangalgela eulelia mates, alul garingang mates, marbebi ringi. Rangalgela mle dingalius, idang yong rangula, rangalgela mle odalav, de ring mis, ragenedi mutok, makmaigal mutok, mamorgan mutok. Ng esa ragim subdra i adra bital tao churumang ngirmang, malosubdra adra ngirei, e may madaalim, e dagay nga sewer tial albula. Agim subde olngi trausakla, mamosubdra adadar tial albula. Ngiwal, rangalgela Tina masubda Antonio, rangalgela Mary Tongol, rangalgela Amos masubda, Elmis masubda, marangalgel, rangalgela mle gerak emori masubda. Ngarar dagim subde olngitanye surangalgela buigaspis, Rabloriano, Isauro, marangalgela Jonas, may madaalim edgay nga sewer tial albula. Ngar along agim subde olngitray adra imoawang, malosubdra raad, ilgidel tial albula. Rangalgela raklay baul, ray kreged ray dis chow raklay, marbebi rakaw, e olngite mosubdra rangalgela baulis, rangalgel elsay, mamay madaalim, edgay nga sewer tial albula. Agim subde olngitange, sura rangalgela taway, raebilyeng la maurin guroda, marbebi rakaw, rangalgela ngira amoy. Tokubet selspedela madrayeng la paulis tesay, madil ngerbesk hana tesay, amura saiki shiro, elkmomay madaalim. Rangalgela Bismarck et Pisong, rangalgela King Itz Baulis, rangalgela Siaw et Pisong, marangalgela Oil David Tesay, elkmomay madaalim, edgay nga sew, artialulbong lal sungulavalat, rawadalad karingel Tesay. Tokubet selspedela o sisil gamaldil, e ngakaldingalius kamenchin, amasubdargawal esaberay badaang, Helbert Rong, e olngita mo subdrar adadray badaang, e may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Direkal tokubet selspedera amoramis Antonio Bells, e olngita mo subdrar bebi regid, tial gamaldile ladalmam, rawadalad karingel Tesay, e may madakay nga sew. Ang klamang tela subdaul, mandakal rokwil ada madungang clear, magi olngitrar adamam alrongosay tial subda, elkmo may madaalim, edgay nga sew, tial gamaldile ladalad rawadalad karingel Tesay, el dibuse radalongoled. Makmaldil amlamotro kalmoringi raget center ray Thursday, February 19, 2026. Yauriw rakamaldil enggal maasa mo madakaramadal oigul. Kompmal masulang ya Dios lo makaltangat tergid rokwi. Signed, Terbor Michael Mutok, ongewid Leo Ada Taryong, Dingalius Kamenchin.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul desuela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul top dringi e haraorngi, kohmal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de hatemem el mera radio station, madagulngit mamay ibgin masukaw, makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya aselpon mal open den wargaw, aisen muk mungomur o ingrang momrekor o ingrang, telat times ratal si, sesayan ringi, esendringil either moya ka fax, mora 488-4420, malub sendringi loya ka email and mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau ya uriul ega meharaw. Ali malyamo veselo ya den wargao, lekchos peringi, elo ay sergao, maloba nganya harma raspedem, e aki kola segi the number, e mga du urgaraw era ki bomrek lumru raspedem, ko man mesulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in DS Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi, sine. What do you mean, oi, sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Possible progress in a high-profile missing persons case. I'm Kathleen Maloney, Fox News. Investigators in Arizona have potentially a key piece of evidence in the Nancy Guthrie case. They say a glove found in the neighborhood appears to be a match to the one worn by a suspect in the doorbell video released by the FBI. It will be undergoing testing.
This process typically takes 24 hours from when the FBI receives DNA. Investigators collected about 16 gloves in various areas near the house. Most of them belonged to searchers and had been discarded while looking for Nancy Guthrie. This new information about the glove could be a major development in the search for the suspect. Seen on Nancy Guthrie's doorbell camera, described as a male between 5'9 and 5'10 with an average build, seen carrying a 25-liter Ozark Trail hiker pack from Walmart. Authorities have yet to name him.
Fox's Max Gordon in Tucson. The Department of Homeland Security is unfunded and will likely remain that way for at least the next week. Fox's Gernal Scott explains.
Alabama GOP Senator Katie Britt said while Democrats seek changes in ICE enforcement, they've missed the big picture.
They know that ICE and CBP will continue to be funded throughout this, but they know that the other things that keep Americans safe will not.
She refers to agencies such as FEMA, the Coast Guard, and TSA. Delaware Democratic Senator Chris Coons said a deal for federal agents to use body cams and remove masks can make this
a hopefully temporary disagreement over the standards of conduct of the officers who operate under the Department of Homeland Security.
Both senators were on Fox News Sunday. No deal is likely this week with the House and Senate in recess. Gernal Scott, Fox News.
And the Pentagon says U.S. military forces boarded another sanctioned tanker in the Indian Ocean coming from the Caribbean Sea. America is listening to Fox News. ICE is ending its Operation Metro surge in Minneapolis after widespread anti-ICE protests shook the Twin Cities, leading to the death of 2 U.S. citizens shot by ICE agents. Borders are Tom Holman on Fox and Friends Weekend.
It's a great success, but I don't expect any politician from that state to say, President Trump, congratulations, did a good job. Tom Holman did a good job. Bottom line is President Trump sent me up there to de-escalate, get state and local cooperation, and stop being a sanctuary state and arrest illegal aliens with a focus on criminals.
Minnesota Governor Tim Walz now demanding the federal government pay for damages in Minneapolis. An update on the Board of Peace and Gaza coming today from President Trump. Fox's Luke Tomlinson with the details.
President Trump announcing that the initial meeting of the Board of Peace will be taking place this Thursday in Washington. About 20 countries have signed on and will be in Washington, along with the King of Bahrain, the first Arab leader to pledge his participation. He says he will be in Washington. And President Trump taking a true social, announcing this news, saying, quote, on February 19th, we will announce that member states have pledged more than $5 billion toward the Gaza humanitarian and reconstruction efforts and have committed thousands of personnel to the ISF to maintain security for Gazans.
The president also emphasizing Hamas must uphold its commitment in the deal. Iran's top diplomat is traveling from Tehran to Geneva now, where the second round of nuclear negotiations with the U.S. will be taking place. This after a first round of indirect talks took place in Oman last week. Oman will mediate the talks in Geneva. President Trump has repeatedly threatened to use force to compel Iran to agree to constrain its nuclear program. Iran responding that it would launch an attack of its own if that happened. President Trump also threatening Iran over its deadly crackdown on recent nationwide protests. I'm Kathleen Maloney. This is Fox News.